leaving Fort Monroe on the way out, we're going to try to stop by the Contraband Hospital, and then we'll go get some lunch. Now, the Contraband Hospital was constructed in 1863, according to this paperwork, to treat the wounded and the sick. Harriet Tubman would serve here as a nurse and a cook for several months. Of course, Harriet Tubman is the person I would love to meet, but that's not going to happen. So this is where we're en route to now. Hopefully, we'll find it. We made a U-turn, doubling back. We couldn't find it. So hopefully we'll find it this time.
I think that's it on the left. It's still on. Yes.
That has to be
That's
it.
it.
It looks hospital-ish.
This is still well in
Ingleside.
Ingleside right here. This is the hospital.
So this should be the hospital right here.
Yep, looks like it.
It does.
Yeah, you got it wrong there. You got it closed off.
How can I get just a picture of the front of it? We can drive right back, just drive back past it, so we can get the front of it. The front.
This is the front.
Oh, okay. Well, let's see. This is
Wait a minute, let me pull up. It's a renovation.
currently being renovated, but this is the hospital where Harriet Tubman worked as a cook and treated the sick soldiers. So, something to see. There's a lot to see here at Fort Monroe. We're heading out. The girls are hungry. They said they were famished. They're going to treat us to lunch, dinner. But that's the hospital. So, we had a good day.
Some of us.
We all had a good day. It was a little challenging at some points. But make sure you bring the family to visit Fort Monroe. Bring comfortable shoes, a bottle of water. And you should really get here early because there's about 21 sites to visit.
They got the plaque up yet. All right, what are we eating? Whoa, buddy. Oh, I forgot it was on the damn camera.
Oh, well, you're always messing up. You know we're recording,
So?
so you can't say that stuff because I can't post it, mister.
All you have to do is mute that part of the clip.
Oh, okay, smarty pants. You want to edit this clip when we get home?
No,
Okay, well,
I'm just giving you a suggestion.
well, thanks for the suggestions.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
I'm already signed in.
Gotta come in handy.
Signed into what?
My app.
Oh.
You got an app?
Huh?
You said your app. I'm like, you have
I
an
mean,
app?
an app I downloaded on my phone.
Oh. Okay.
All right. It's fine.
Food time for food. The light,
It's green.
that means
Means what?
That means go.
Go where?
oh, somebody help me.
Let me see if I can get somebody. She said she needs help.
Let's have some music and
Are we still recording?
Somebody move. Why are you changing? So tired.
over and out. This family road trip is over. Y'all say goodbye.